For a second, we thought about making a real commercial for MAHLE. One like you might expect, with great pictures and high gloss, with spectacular effects, fascinating camera angles, and with a voiceover that gives our products the dramatic scene they deserve. But should this commercial even be about us? And what does that do for a shop? It really doesn't. Which is why this commercial tells a completely different story. A story about the true protagonists, the shops themselves. That's right, you. Problem solvers, mechanics, grease monkeys, and car doctors. It's you who make sure that millions of people around the world are able to get where they're going every day. You keep your head on straight even when things get tricky. You're quick to help in any way you can when you're needed. You keep abreast of the latest in the field of the mobility of tomorrow, and you aren't afraid to get your hands dirty to make the impossible possible. To sum it all up, you achieve great things. We, on the other hand, stay behind the scenes, but we've got your back so that everything goes just as smoothly as you imagine when it comes to repairs. From engine cooling and air conditioning, engine parts, turbochargers, and filters to workshop equipment and diagnostics, so that, in the end, only what really counts is at the forefront. Your great work.